Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So I have gotten a lot of requests for a video on how I take care of my hands. So I'm happy to share my little routine with you. Because I am on camera, my hands are on camera all the time and close up, I like to make sure my hands look good and feel good because, we all do a lot of beading and, after a while, sometimes your hands get chapped and they get cramped and, you want to make sure they're in good shape, because we want to keep those creative hands moving all the time. So I'm going to remove my nail polish and come back with clean hands and I'll show you what I do. All right, see you in a minute. Okay, I've removed my nail polish and I've scrubbed my nails with a nail brush and some hot soapy water. And I'm ready now to push back my cuticles. So I take an orange wood stick, and this is whether I wear nail polish or not, and I push back the cuticles like that. So I'll do that on all nails. Then I'll file anything that needs to be filed. So I just take a file and I gently file like that. I keep my nails short in the spring and summer. So just like that. And then I take a little buffing block and I use the finer side and I just do a little buffing. So I buff the top a little bit. You're not taking a lot of surface off, you're just buffing it up a little bit. Buff the edges like that. All right, now we're ready for the cuticle oil. So I have a mixture of oils that I use on my cuticles. I use jojoba oil and I use vitamin E oil. Now this is Sally Hanson's vitamin E nail and cuticle oil. You can get this at most drugstores. This is perfect. You can use this, just this. I like adding half jojoba and half vitamin E. I love this stuff. I use it on my hair. I mix my foundation with it when my skin is dry. I put it on, dry patches on my body. So I love this stuff, so I mix the two. And I have these little pens that I ordered from Amazon, and you can fill them. So I fill it half and half with the jojoba and the vitamin E oil, and it has a little brush at the end. These are disposable. However, which I don't really like because I don't like all that waste, all that plastic waste. So I'm going to see if I can find some refillables. And if I can't, I'll just use an empty cuticle oil bottle and I'll just mix it half and half. But for right now, I bought them, so I'm going to use them. And I'm just going to put oil all over every finger and cuticle. And make sure you get the nails. We really want the nails coated with this oil. And I do this before I go to bed, and I sleep with it over, I sleep with all this oil on my nails, and it feels so good in the morning. My hands and my nails, they look so much better in the morning. So I'm just going to massage it in, like that. Remove these over here. And then I take my favorite lotion. This is Honeyskin. It's got aloe vera and manuka honey in it, and it's face and body cream. Can tell I love this. And I just take a dollop of that. You can use any lotion, any hand cream that you have. And I just massage that in. If you have a hubby, friend, sister, brother, child nearby that wants to give you a hand massage, that's even better. My husband usually does this for me, but he's not around right now. He's at work. So I'm going to give myself a hand massage like that. I do the palms, I do the backs, I do the front. I make sure I get this whole area right here, just really gently massage this. This is where I get eye hurt after I bead a little bit too long. So there, my hands are all oiled up and lotioned up and all creamed up, and they feel great. I'm just going to go to sleep, and when I get up in the morning, they're going to look a whole lot better. All right, so nighty-night. I'll see you in the morning. Okay, it's morning, and my hands are feeling wonderful, and I've probably applied this 2 or 3 times before I went to bed. While I'm in bed, I'll just add more oil and more lotion. Then I wake up, I do it again. Okay, so I'm in pretty good shape now. I'm really liking the way they look. So now, if that's it for you and you don't wear polish or anything, then you're good. You're good to go. You can just leave it on as it is, just like that, and just keep applying your hand lotion during the day. Massage your hands a little bit, put on your cuticle oil. But I'm going to add some polish, so I'll just show you what I do. I'm not going to polish them on camera, but I'll just show you what I do. So because I have that oil all over my hands, I just take a little bit of nail polish remover on a pad, and I'm just going to wipe the oil off the nails. I'm trying not to get the skin, just the nails. You can wash your hands too at this point and wash everything off. But I just take a little bit of nail polish remover just to prep the nail for polish, because it's not going to stick to something that's oily. So here, see how that kind of dulls my nails, and I just make sure that everything is off. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to take my base coat. I'm going to polish my nails. I'm going to take a base coat. I'm going to take my polish, so I'm using this really pretty pink polish today. And then my top coat. I'm going to get that all done and then come on back and we'll look at our hands and finish up the video. Okay, a pretty sweater, a little ring, and I'm ready to shoot another video for you. So that's it. That's what I do to take care of my hands and my nails. Don't forget my triple threat here, Vitamin E Oil, jojoba, and the Honeyskin, or any face or body cream that you like. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.